Eucharistic Miracle of Tixtla, Mexico, October 21st, 2006. On October 21st, in the year 2006, the effusion of a reddish substance was noted from a consecrated host during the Eucharistic celebration at Tixtla in the Diocese of Chilpancingo-Chilapa. The bishop of the place, Most Reverend Alejo Zavala Castro, then convened a Theological Commission of investigation, and in October 2009, he invited Doctor Ricardo Castañón Gómez to take on the leadership of the program of the scientific research, whose purpose was that of verifying the said event. The Mexican Ecclesiastical authorities turned to Doctor Castañón Gómez because they were aware that in the years 1999 through 2006, this scientist had conducted some studies on two consecrated hosts that also bled in the Parish of Saint Mary in Buenos Aires. The Mexican case begins in October of 2006 when Father Leopoldo Roque, pastor of the Parish of St. Martin of Tours, invites Father Raimundo Reina Esteban to lead a spiritual retreat for his parishioners. Father Leopoldo and another priest were distributing communion, and they were assisted by a religious sister who stood to the left of Father Raimundo. Suddenly, the sister turned towards Father Raimundo with the pyx containing the hosts. She had tears in her eyes. This show of emotion immediately attracted the attention of the celebrant, Father Raimundo, who was told that she had taken a host in hand to give communion to a lady parishioner, and it suddenly began to effuse a reddish substance. Research was conducted between October of 2009 and October of 2012, which came to the following conclusions, which were presented on May 25th of 2013 during the course of an international symposium held by the Diocese of Chilpancingo on the occasion of the Year of Faith, and which saw the participation of millions of people coming from 4 continents. The following was reported. The reddish substance analyzed corresponds to blood in which there are hemoglobin and DNA of human origin. 2. Two studies conducted by eminent forensic experts with different methodologies have shown that the substance originates from the interior, excluding the hypothesis that someone could have placed it from the exterior. 3. The blood type is AB, similar to the one found in the miraculous host of Lanciano and in the Holy Shroud of Turin. 4. A microscopic analysis of magnification and penetration reveals that the superior part of the blood has been coagulated since October of 2006. Moreover, the underlying internal layers revealed in February of 2010 the presence of fresh blood. 5. They also found intact white blood cells, red blood cells, and active macrophages that engulf lipids. The tissue in question appears lacerated and with recovery mechanisms exactly as occurs in a living tissue. 6. A further histopathological analysis determines the presence of protein structures in a state of deterioration, suggesting mesenchymal cells, very specialized cells, characterized by an elevated biophysiological dynamism. 7. The immunohistochemical studies reveal that the tissue found corresponds to the muscle of the heart, also known as the myocardium. On account of the scientific results and the conclusions reached by the Theological Committee, the Bishop of Chilpancingo, His Eminence Alejo Zavala Castro, announced the following. The event does not have a natural explanation. It does not have paranormal origin. It is not traceable to manipulation of the enemy. The account of this miracle was taken from the book entitled The Eucharistic Miracles of the World, presented by the Real Presence Eucharistic Education and Adoration Association. A link to their organization and a link to purchase the book are posted above or below this video.